Got one?
Yeah.
Pull it up.
Little bass. It's a bass.
It's a pretty fish. I got one.
We got one. He's a little one. Oh, all 3 hooks are in him. Crappity dack. There we go. There's a little bass. Yeah, but we're just using, I'm using this. This little, I just got another one. Little junk. And Will just lost one.
Yeah, I just lost
mine.
mine.
He caught it and got out this camera to film it and it got off.
Yeah, I should have reeled it in before. Probably like a pound.
Yeah. It's a fat, at least it's got a belly from the size of it.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, drop it more. You can get him off. You want me to get him off? He's using the lure I was using earlier. The lure that I'm using, his lure, and it's really crappy right now.
This one's caught all the bass.
Yeah. Little Matsu silver little minnow plug. And then on the other thing we're using a popper, but it's being really crappy. He almost got it. Man. He's hooked, isn't he? Let me try.
There you
Oh,
go.
you got it. There you go, Will. Alright. Hey guys.
Pull in.
I got a bigger one. He's kind of tired after a really big fight. He jumped a lot. It was 2.5, 3 pounds. Maybe less. It's a big fish for this place. There's lots of fish here, but most of them aren't big. Except for the 8-pounder I caught here last spring. I'm hooked. This is the guy. I've seen him on his bed before, but I don't ever caught him. That one. Oh, he's jumping.
Pull him up.
Fat his stomach is. Look. Look at his stomach. Right there. Eating minnows and sun.
You catch something?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Get that jump on camera?
Yeah. Yeah, he's the second biggest. You like that rubber worm, don't you?
Yeah, well, that's the first
Guess
fish I
whose
got in the
rubber
morning.
worm that is, mother. Never mind.
My Zoom U-tails are better than this. She's still good. Oh, dude.
So we caught that nigga.
Oh, poor guy.
No, he's dead, whatever.
Whatever.
Just kidding, he's lived. Do you need the pliers?
He didn't get hooked to the jail, so I thought he was hooked to the jail.
Alright, I'm ending. I got something finally. Are you kidding me? Freaking sunfish. Kill you. What? Ow! Son of a freaking hate you. You're stupid spikes. Thought you were a bass. Ow! Bye, loser.